Hello, Home Chef. Welcome to the Wildlife. I'm Will, and this is my playground. I'm going to make another common Chinese takeout, Kung Pao Chicken. And the reason why I want to make it is, well, I've eaten it for a very long time, and I thought it would be simple to try to make it. Let's get started. We are going to have chicken thigh, skin side down, going to a hot wok to render the fat out a little. You want it to be on medium heat. You don't want too much, otherwise the fat won't render properly, and then we'll take it out. You can substitute it for chicken breast if you don't want any skin. Then you can just skip this step and go on to the next. When the skin is about this kind of golden brown, you can see it's like here, really nice. Then you can take them out. Because the rest of the stuff comes very quickly, so you want to make sure you cut up all the chickens and ready to go before you go in. All we need to do is just cut them into like bite size. You don't have to be very precise about it. Like so. So here are the order. It's great to have everything lined up so you just don't worry. We got some dried chili here. This is actually the Kung Pao piece of it. We got some Sichuan peppercorn. And we got our alliums. I don't know why all of a sudden I can't say it. So we got ginger, garlic, and spring onion. We're gonna save some for garnish. So the wok is hot. I'm gonna start off with the dried chili. Be careful, it might choke you. Go in there. And then we have the Sichuan peppercorn. You just want to have it a little bit brown. You don't want to be careful not to burn. Okay, it's actually looking good. Looking a bit dry, so I guess I could have left a little bit more oil from the chicken before. Pushing it aside. We're gonna have ginger going in first, because garlic is gonna burn very quickly. Doing slices here. You can grind it up easily. Okay, garlic goes in. And also the white part of the onion, or the bottom part of the onion, spring onion. Give it a little toss. God. Oh, the chili. Okay, now the chicken goes in. This is where you might have to crank up the heat just a little bit. While it's cooking through, the first thing I'm going to add in is a little bit of white sugar. What I want to do is have a little bit coat of the caramelization, so when I put in the soy sauce later, it's going to go well. So I'm going to go ahead as usual, soy sauce along the edge of the wok, and kind of just let it burn through a little bit. Just about dry. We're dropping a little bit of rice wine also along the edge of the wok. The wine will also deglaze everything that's at the bottom of the wok. Now, very last bit, I'm just dropping a little bit of slurry. Just kind of let any residual sauce kind of stick onto the meat. And now it becomes glossy. Not a toss. Okay. I have some peanuts here. You can use roasted peanuts. I like this peanuts that's flavored with Sichuan peppercorn and hot sauce and spicy chili. And the last bit of the onion goes in. And it's ready to go. Final toss. Just right before you serve, I knew I was forgetting something. Vinegar. You do want a bit of that acidity to hit. The good thing about using chicken thigh is because if you're just getting started to cook, chicken run away. That's okay. If you're just getting started to cooking, chicken thigh is really forgiving, and you won't have to worry about overcooking. It's a bit difficult to overcook actually. So let's have a taste. I'm gonna take the runaway chicken with a little bit of peanuts, a little bit of dried chili together. Salty, tangy, spicy, with a little bit of that numminess from Sichuan peppercorn. This is a great classic Kung Pao Chicken. I hope you give it a try, and don't choke while you're frying the chili. Until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for a new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life.